Hi guys. Again, please. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. So wait. Come. So today in this video, as you read by the thumbnail, I'm going to show you guys how to put Kmart nails and Kmart lashes. So this video is gonna be some kind of a girly thing. So I'm gonna kick off my husband from this video. Well, I'm back. By the way, I have been planning this video for so long time. Actually, I wanted to do it last week, the time that I went for the Sri Lanka Namibia match. So I started to record that video last week, but unfortunately I didn't have any time to record that video, so I had to procrastinate that video for this week. Even today I went for some event in the Melbourne city. At that time I wanted to do these nails and lashes before I go for that event to make me a little bit pretty with the nails and lashes, but even today is not able to do that because I didn't have much time to do that before I go for that event. I'm a person who procrastinates everything. I know that's not that a good habit to maintain, but yeah, that's my way. I'm late for everything. So I'm back from that event right now. I don't want to make it any more delay. Without further delay, let's get right into the video. Well, these are the two products that I'm going to use today. I have never used these products before, and this is the first time that I'm going to try these products, and I don't know how it will be turn out, and even I don't know how to use it unless I read the instruction back of these covers. So yeah, this is the nails thing and this is the lashes thing. And I got both these products from Kmart. These both products are pretty cheap. You don't want to go for the salon to put fake lashes or the fake nails. And the most important thing is this can save your time. And you can do it at your own home. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have never been to salon to put the fake nails unless I need to do a manicure, because I feel so uncomfortable when it comes to fake nails, working with the fake nails, cooking with the fake nails, and just maintaining it. I'm a person who don't love to maintain those kind of fake things, so therefore I'm not that interested on these fake things like fake lashes and fake nails. But I've done the lashes for one time. At that time I felt so uncomfortable wearing them, like even I couldn't able to wash my face properly with that. I don't want to maintain those kind of things, but one day if I wanted to get it done, definitely I will do it. Well, I feel I'm talking a lot, so let's get right into the video actually. Hi guys, this is a hidden fact that nobody likes to put the nails on me, cause see, look my nails. It looks like a baby nails. And one thing I had to tell you guys, this is something funny. Once I went to the salon to do a manicure. After seeing my nails, the girl who was doing the nails, she told me, oh my god, your nails look like a baby nails. Then I was like, oh yeah, they are. This is another reason that I don't go for the salons anymore to put my nails on. This nail is something like having a gel effect, and this one included 24 nails, comes with a glue, but I don't think this glue is having a really good quality because it's a Kmart one. If you know that you live in Australia, Kmart is the one that not having the high-end products but really affordable, and you can find anything very easily with the Kmart. So yeah, well, I just thought to go for these lashes first, then I will hop into the nails. So I'm gonna start with this one. This one is having a 5 pair of eyelashes. This one doesn't come with the eyelash glue. I got this adhesive glue from Shein. Even this eyelashes comes with the glue. I don't think that one is having a really good quality. Anyways, I'm going to start now. Let's get started with me. This is pretty, isn't it? So I got this thing here. Now I'm gonna take this. Oh, hey guys, this is already having a glue, so I don't think that I need a glue to stick this on my eyelids. There we go. By the way, this is my natural lashes, so I'm having kind of long, thick eyelashes. By the way, I put some mascara on my eyelashes now. Anyways, I'll go ahead with this one. See, this one is having a glue itself, so I don't need to use this today. Let me do some sizing. No, this has to be got to the all the way to the inner corner of my eyes, which I don't like. But if you need, you can cut halfway through the lashes, and you can use for the outer corners or wherever you want. Even if you like to put it to the inner corners, you can do it too. Guys, I just tried many times to put this on my eyelids with the glue here, but it's not that a good idea. I have to use this glue anyways. I'm gonna put some glue on my lid. This time I got a tweezer. Now I'm gonna do the same on my other. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this color. It's pretty. Yeah, I'm done. Alright guys, this is my final look. This is how it turned out. I feel it so pretty because it's having sort of natural look and not having that dramatic long eyelash look, which I don't like. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I love it. Well, now I'm going to do my nails. This is how my nails look like. Before I go into start my nails, I have a nail kit like this. This is a very small nail kit, and this is totally optional if you go for this kind of nails. Let's get started. And this one comes with a glue as well. Even I don't think that one is a good glue. Anyways, I'm going to use it just for one time, so I don't need much support with the glue. I clean my hands thoroughly before I going to put my nails on. Before you're going to stick these nails, you have to do the correct sizing according to your nails. Since I'm having very tiny nails, I might choose this smallest nail here. I would go with this one. So I have to do the sizing before I go into start to figure out which nail size is going for my nails. I'm gonna put it here, pressing this all the way to the end. Oops. Hi guys, I'm back. This is how my nails look like at the end. For me, it was such a big process to put these nails on because it was my first time. I wish I could do some adjustments on these nails, but at the same time I feel so scared whether I make a mess on these nails. Now I'm trying to do some little adjustments on my nails. Let's see. Guys, I'm back with my nail and my lashes. This nails look so pretty, isn't it? To sum up this process, I felt it so hard to put this nail for the first time because I have never done it by myself before. This is the first time that I use these Kmart nails. I like it, but I feel so uncomfortable wearing this. I mean, it's just a feeling of myself that I don't know how surprising the girls who maintains these nails every day, how they do deal with these nails. If you're a person who use the nails or the fake nails, like maintain it every day, I would like to know your thoughts in the comment box below. The tips and tricks that you use to put your nails on, also how you maintain it properly. After I put this nail, I had an interest to go for a salon. Probably next month I would go for a salon and do the SNS nails for the first time. And talking about these lashes, I wanted to tell you guys, don't rely on the glue that comes with the package. It doesn't work. Instead, you can buy an extra glue from somewhere else to stick your eyelashes, and it looks pretty, isn't it? This is way more natural than the other lashes that I used before. So yeah, this is gonna be a short video. I think you guys enjoyed this video. As I said before, I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this fake nails? So yeah, I just came to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in a brand new video. Bye.